Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying macOS is up to date and installing Xcode command line tools so builds work. Once done, install Homebrew if you want a system package manager, or choose PyEnv to manage multiple Python versions. Both avoid using the system Python. Make sure you understand why. System Python is reserved for Mac OS, while Homebrew/PyEnv gives isolated, upgradable interpreters. Now open Terminal and install your chosen tool so you can fetch Python versions next. You now install a concrete Python release and configure the shell so that your chosen interpreter wins. If using Homebrew, run brew install Python at 3x and then add /usr/local/opt/python at 3x/bin to path. If using PyEnv, run PyEnv install 3x, y and PyEnv global 3x, y, then restart your shell. Once the interpreter is active, create virtual environments with Python venv or use pips for isolated CLI tools. This isolation prevents dependency conflicts and keeps projects reproducible. You finish by activating your virtual environment, installing project dependencies, and running tests. Once the venv is active, pip install R requirements. txt, then verify with Python version and run a quick script to confirm runtime behavior. Make sure your shell startup files reflect path or PyEnv init so the right interpreter loads automatically. If things go wrong, check which Python with which or type a Python inspect path for duplicates and reinstall or reinitialize Homebrew/PyEnv to resolve conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.